Welcome to How to Solve channel, and here I am going to help and fix your problem. Apple Watch microphone not working, that means no Siri, Dictation and more. First, check the OS update in your iPhone. Go to the Settings app on iPhone. Next, tap on General. And tap on Software Update. In an update is pending, then download and install first. Next, is check for Apple Watch software update. To update your Apple Watch, go to the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap on My Watch tab and find the General. Next, to tap on Software Update. Next solution is where is the microphone and how to clean up. For Apple Watch Series 4 and Series 3 has different microphone location. Here in my hand, I am cleaning a microphone slot using a soft brush. Apple Watch 4 users can also find that. Turn on dictation on your Apple Watch from your iPhone and also select the preferred language. Open Settings app on iPhone, tap on General and then Keyboard. Scroll to find Dictation option and enable it. Also, select all of your preferred dictation languages. Enable Hay Siri for Apple Watch from iPhone. Open Settings app on iPhone. Tap on Siri and search. Under the Ask Siri section, check the settings like Hey Siri, allow Siri when locked, Siri voice and language. These settings will be applied automatically to your Apple Watch. Next is pair and unpair your Apple Watch from iPhone. To unpair, open Watch app on iPhone. Tap on My Watch tab and tap on your watch name, tap on icon and tap on Unpair Apple Watch. Wait for time, and repair Apple Watch using the given video link and video description. Next is erase your Apple Watch content from your iPhone or from Apple Watch. Follow my tips given in the video screen. Find upcoming more updated tips and tricks by simply subscribe to this channel and feedback us. If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button and tap on bell icon to get the latest video notifications alert. Also be sure to follow on social media and we'll see in the next video.